Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tech gadgets that make a real difference. Today, we're talking about the best drawing tablet with a pressure-sensitive pen, the HUION HS64. Whether you're into digital painting, graphic design, online teaching, or just looking for a smooth way to take notes, this budget-friendly tablet might be exactly what you're searching for. So what makes the HUION HS64 stand out in a sea of tablets? First of all, it's ultra-affordable, compact, and built for both beginners and seasoned digital artists. And here's the kicker. It comes with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity in its stylus, giving you incredibly precise control over every line, stroke, and shade. All this packed into a sleek 6.3 by 4-inch active area. The tablet is slim, lightweight, and extremely portable, ideal for artists on the go. The matte black finish adds a professional feel, and the build is surprisingly sturdy for the price. On the side, you'll find 4 customizable press keys that can be configured however you like. From switching tools to launching shortcuts, it's all about optimizing your workflow. Let's talk about the stylus, the PW100. It's battery-free, which means no charging and no interruptions. It responds with remarkable accuracy thanks to its 5080 lines per inch resolution. Whether you're sketching, coloring, or writing, the stylus delivers a near-zero lag experience and natural pressure transitions. You can even switch between pen and eraser modes instantly with the side buttons. The HS64 isn't just about drawing, it's a powerful tool for education and remote work. It works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, Android devices, and even Linux systems like Ubuntu. With the included OTG adapter, you can connect it directly to your Android phone and start drawing or taking notes wherever you are. It supports popular software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, and even Microsoft Office for annotations and signatures. Teachers and students love this tablet for online whiteboard sessions. Designers and illustrators love it for the responsive, accurate pen input. It's also a great pick for OSU players and animation students. You can use it for sketching, editing photos, making diagrams, or simply as a mouse replacement to navigate and work more efficiently. Setting it up is a breeze. Plug it in via USB, install the HUION driver, and you're good to go. The driver interface is clean and allows you to remap keys, adjust pressure sensitivity, and fine-tune performance according to your preferences. No complicated setup, no learning curve, just plug, play, and create. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance drawing tablet that won't break the bank, the HUION HS64 is a top contender. It's compact, powerful, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're a student, artist, or remote worker, this tablet offers unbeatable value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews of the best tech out there. Catch you in the next video.